Craving pasta but don't want to break your keto streak? Good news, delicious, creamy, and satisfying pasta dishes can still be a part of your life, even on a ketogenic diet. One of the hardest things about going keto is saying goodbye to carb-heavy comfort foods like pasta. But what if you didn't have to? With a little creativity and a few smart swaps, you can enjoy all the flavors and textures you love without the carb crash. Here are 3 keto pasta recipes that are rich in taste, low in carbs, and perfect for satisfying that pasta craving. Zucchini noodle Alfredo, serves 2. Ingredients: 2 medium zucchinis, spiralized, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced, ½ cup heavy cream, 1/3 cup grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste, chopped parsley, optional. Instructions: heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Sauté garlic for 1 minute. Add heavy cream, bring to a simmer, and stir in Parmesan until melted and creamy. Toss in the zucchini noodles and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until tender but still slightly firm. Season and top with parsley before serving. Shirataki noodle carbonara, serves 2. Ingredients: 1 pack, 200 grams, shirataki noodles, rinsed and drained 2 egg yolks, 1/4 cup grated pecorino romano cheese, 2 slices bacon, cooked and chopped, 1 tablespoon butter, salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions: dry the shirataki noodles well with a paper towel. Melt butter in a skillet, add noodles, and heat for 2 to 3 minutes. In a bowl, whisk yolks and cheese. Remove noodles from heat, stir in the egg cheese mixture quickly to create a creamy sauce. Add bacon and season to taste. Serve hot. Keto pesto chicken pasta, serves 2. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked and shredded chicken breast, 1½ cups hearts of palm noodles, 2 tablespoons pesto sauce, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Grated Parmesan, optional. Instructions: heat olive oil in a pan, toss in the palm noodles and warm for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the shredded chicken and pesto, mixing well to coat evenly. Adjust seasoning and top with Parmesan if desired. Quick, savory, and satisfying. Keto pasta is all about replacing the high-carb base with smart, low-carb alternatives that still soak up the sauce and bring comfort to the plate. Zucchini, shirataki, and hearts of palm are just a few of the many options you can explore. Bonus tip: always dry your veggie-based noodles well before using. They'll absorb more flavor and stay firm. Next time that pasta craving kicks in, don't resist it, recreate it the keto way. These dishes are rich, creamy, and fulfilling without throwing you out of ketosis. Which of these keto pasta recipes are you trying first? Let me know in the comments and share your favorite low-carb swaps with the community.